Well, YouTube, we're back for another quick video here. This is going to be actually, I think, a part series because the time has come. We're here to build our studio. I've got pretty much everything out of the studio, like a big portion of stuff. I don't know if you can tell in the background, but just getting things ready for the drywall right now. Getting all the screws and the extra stuff that's in the walls and then the studs. Definitely getting rid of that stuff. I'll take a switch here with the camera and show you here. Desk used to be sitting right here, but we've removed it obviously. And yeah, I'm just working on the floor right now. I'm just trying to get the floor all even, obviously, because once the drywall's in and everything's out of the way now, so I can actually get the floor properly down. I've got to run this Ethernet cable properly through the studs because right now I just have it kind of wrapped around the studs and it's coming down the wall. I just want to have it coming down, you know, neatly in there if possible. And we've got the door all situated where it's closing and no gap at the bottom, which is good because that's where a lot of the wind is coming in. But I'm assuming once the drywall and stuff is all put up, it will be a lot easier and for the wind to not come in, and hopefully it'll stay nice and cool in here. Still Charlie blanket right there. That's keeping the wind out, not the rain, the wind. I'm sorry, everything's everywhere. But this is the plan. Kind of hear me out a little bit. After the drywall is put up, my desk is going to sit here, so I'm going to do my workflow facing this wall now. I'll be doing my turntable action right here. And then it'll come out to about here, the desk. Just about to the end of that plug there. Actually, I think the desk will come right about there. And then from that side on will be the lounge area of the studio. The couch will go, instead of this way, it'll go this way. And then we're hoping to have a TV on this wall here. And these guys will be moved out of the studio. Probably not the fridge, but the freezer for sure will be moved out of the studio. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Excited? Because we are here at energy885.ca. And if you're listening to the stream right now, obviously it's just a stream. It's no live DJs right now. We're all taking a break until the studio is done and finished. So the next step is to be drywalling and mudding, then sanding, then probably vacuuming all the sand up, and then we'll have to dry our drywall, mud again, and then sand, and then paint, hopefully. So hopefully within the next week or so we'll have this done. But the next video, part 2, should be with me and my father-in-law, and you'll see us hanging drywall. That's what it's going to be all about here at Power Media Studios. We're looking forward to rocking the nation around the world from this little dinky room. But the next time you see it, I'll be here with my father-in-law, and we're going to get this all situated for you. So hang tight, YouTube. This is what we've been doing just for you. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao.